This is Jessica. I'm planning to treat my family with a surprise vacation on Thanksgiving holiday. I would like to inquire about available vacation packages and deals on a tight budget. Could you suggest the best destination but with affordable price? It's okay, I'm willing to wait. I'll take the advantage of a flight to San Francisco. My two kids are really dreaming of going there. I heard that San Francisco is one of the world's most visited tourist destinations, isn't it? I'll be with my husband and two kids. November 27th. Could you give some reasonable options which include airfare and hotel accommodation? Yes, I'm ready with that. I got it. Really? What about the third option? I gotta choose option one, the package which is offered by White Hotel. Do you mind if I book it provisionally for now? And I'll call you back later to confirm and ask for some details about the flight. No, that's all for now. I'll just call you back. Thank you very much.
Okay.